Hey internet, welcome to heat transfer tutorial. This is a made up question not found in your textbooks. Explain the caloric theory in terms of heat transfer and what led to its eventual rejection. So, summary, it was assumed it was a fluid-like substance known as caloric, massless, colorless, and odorless. This theory was discarded in the mid-19th century when it was demonstrated that a substance does not exist. We'll go deeper. So there is a whole bunch of experiments that proved it doesn't exist. So you can pause the video and read it in your own time. So we've got Rumford's cannon boring experiment, Davy's experiment, Joule's mechanical equivalent of heat, development of thermodynamics, kinetic theory of gases. Okay, so those are the 5 experiments that proved it does not exist. You can pause the video and just read a little bit about them. I don't need to read it out loud for you guys. Alright, cool. So, before you leave, I highly encourage you to save this video on your PC, just in case something happens, like the video gets taken down on my channel, for whatever reason. So, I'm sure you know how to use snipping tool. If you don't, you can pause the video and follow the steps. So use your snipping tool. You can search it on the Windows bar or the search bar. Click the video option, click new, drag the window on the YouTube screen, hit the start button on the top middle, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button so the video replays. Once the video stops, hit the red square to stop recording, save your video. That way you've got a copy of this video. Okay. Like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends because this is not found in textbooks, so they won't know how to search for this. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comments section. Until next time, see ya.